can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams keeping me awake.
Please welcome on stage new silver and top 12 affiliates, Jocelyn and Arnold Alberto Rizal.
Dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see.
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head.
A million dreams are keeping me
A million dreams, a million dreams. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
for the world we're gonna make.
Hello everyone. Hello For Life Philippines. Come on. Hello For Life Philippines. Grabe. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng fountain na pabaliktad. Before I start, we would like to say thank you sa lahat ng mga naging part ng journey namin sa For Life. For Life Management, headed by our General Manager, palakpakan natin. And the rest of the For Life extraordinary staff. To all our mentors, thank you. Ma'am Jenna, uplines, crosslines, friends, and all our extended family dito sa For Life. Thank you. Jeff, if I have the chance to have a multiple hands, I will raise it up all to you. Thank you. To our family, thank you for your extended patience, love, and understanding. To our dear God, thank you for showing us the way, for giving me the right people to be with, for giving me the strength and wisdom to overcome all the challenges na dumaan sa amin. Thank you. Tama ka nga, Lord. Darating ang tamang panahon sa bawat tao. At pag dumating ito para sa'yo, walang anuman o sino man ang pwedeng pumigil sa'yo. Tandaan mo to. Ang laan ay laan. And lastly, to our Team AA International family, Transformers team, Baguio team, Bacolod team, and to all our affiliates across the globe, thank you very much. Ang nakikita nyo sa screen, a successful and happy couple. But behind the success, hindi nyo nakikita kung gaano kadaming shooting, madaming challenges. lalo na sa buhay namin, bago namin nakita yung For Life. I'm an accountant by profession. My wife was a mass comm graduate. When my late father told me that if I want to be successful, sabi niya, enter a business. This is the reason why we entered a lot of traditional businesses. Salon, kahit hindi ako marunong maggupit ng buhok. Water refilling station, distribution, and even construction business. Lahat ng business namin malakas. Totoo yun. Malakas makapangit. Kung may negosyo ka, sigurado naintindihan mo ako sa stress. Kaya nag-usap kami mag-asawa na sana makakita naman tayo ng magandang negosyo, nakikita tayo na magandang income, at the same time, may quality time sa family. Then finally, we saw For Life. Yes, hindi namin ito linya. Pero naniniwala ako na lahat ng ginagawa natin ngayon, hindi naman natin linya before. Inaral mo lang at pinilit mong linyahin sa paniniwala na aasenso buhay mo. The question now is, are you satisfied? Kung hindi, tingnan mo ang For Life. With For Life, hindi namin linya before. Inaral lang din namin. And again, mga kaibigan, nakikita nyo, ito yung timeline namin sa For Life. Our journey started last 2013. And nagtuloy-tuloy lang ho kami. Hindi kami huminto. Naniniwala kami na parang tubig lang yan. Hindi yan kukulo pag patay sindi ang apoy. Kahit matagal ka na, kahit mabagal ka, kahit pa madaming tao ang hindi naniniwala sa'yo, kahit pa lahat ng kamag-anak mo ayaw mag-join sa'yo, huwag kang huminto, basta tumuloy-tuloy ka lang. Darating ang time, kukulo din ang tubig mo. Darating ang time, magiging successful ka rin sa For Life. Darating ang time, lahat ng pagod mo, lahat ng hirap mo, bayad yan sa For Life. Always trust the process. Always trust the process. Na kung pwede nga lang ipahiram ko sa inyo ang mga mata ko para makita nyo yung nakikita namin ngayon. Guys, hindi ko pwedeng gawin. Ikaw ang makakakita. That's vision. And after 3 years doing this business, napatayo namin ang bahay namin. 2-story, 5-bedroom. Ngayon, newly renovated na uli. 2 cars. Nakabili na ng another lot. Earning a substantial income na nagagawa namin ang gustong gawin, nabibili namin ang gustong bilhin, nakakain ang gustong kainin, at gumigising kami pagtapos ng matulog. Yan ang simpleng buhay para sa akin. Dahil the moment na problema mo ang pera, hindi na yan simpleng buhay. Komplikadong buhay na yan. Again, kaibigan, madaming beses na po kaming pinadala ng For Life sa iba't ibang lugar. Halos buong Pilipinas, including Boracay and abroad. And this coming July, bibiyahin na naman kami sa Japan and China, sakay ng Royal Caribbean Cruise, 5 nights and 6 days, all expenses paid. Kasama ng mga team leaders namin and the rest of the cruise qualifiers. Now, ang question ko sa next Great Escape, sino ang gustong sumama sa amin? Itaas mo ang kamay mo, sumigaw ka! And alam mo, kaibigan, lahat ng ito, majority of this, ay dahil sa pag-launch ng Fast Start. Grabe ka, For Life. Ang ganda mo na. Lalo mo pang pinaganda. And more than 800 affiliates from our team ang nag-Fast Start across the globe. And ang result, last October, last year, ang result, 2 silvers, 1 bronze, 1 bronze elite, 3 bronzes, 12 presidential elite, 18 presidentials, 21 diamonds, 65 builder elites, 303 builders, and thousands of new affiliates joined our team. The question is, how do we do it? Gusto niyo malaman? Gusto niyo malaman? First, dapat meron daw isang opportunity. Dapat nag-e-exist ang opportunity. Nandito na tayo sa For Life. Okay? Then, you need to prepare yourself emotionally and physically. And always remember, do what is right. Gawin na natin yung tama para ang resulta ay tama. And you must have something extraordinary na kayang i-offer. And again, guys, in every business, take ownership. You need to allot a percentage of your income para sa operational expenses. Kaibigan, bihira na nga lang kayo magkita ng downline mo, magpakape ka naman. Ikaw naman downline, wag naman ang tingin mo sa upline mo, buffet table. Huwag ka mag-alala, hindi ikaw ang pinapatamaan ko yung katabi mo. Again, guys, we strategize, we identify, we goal set, we delegate, we take massive action, we monitor, and we celebrate the power of we. Together, tayo. Hindi ako, kundi kami. Tayo. We are thankful for giving us an extraordinary team leaders. Shall I say the most skilled, the most talented international Team AA leaders. Thank you for your collaborations, ideas. We proved that we can move mountains. We can do all impossible to possible. And the success of one ay success nating lahat. Again, tama nga, kapag nagtulong-tulong tayo, kahit hindi mo kagrupo, we can even break the toughest barrier na dadaan sa buhay natin. Kaya again, tingnan mo na to as one big family. And lastly, choose to be grateful. Natutulungan ka man o hindi ng upline mo, choose to be grateful. The mere fact na nandito ka sa For Life, isang malaking blessings na yan. Again, kung nandito yung upline mo, please say, thank you, upline. Because gratitude is a powerful force that opens our hearts and attracts positivity. Embrace gratitude in every moment, for it transforms the ordinary to extraordinary by finding the beauty of small things and appreciating life's simple joys. You cultivate a mindset of abundance and positivity. Remember, a grateful heart attracts endless blessings. So cherish each day, celebrate every success, and be thankful for the journey. Gratitude is the key to a fulfilled and happy life. Thank you, Lord, and to God be the glory. Thank you very much For Life.